Alright everybody, what we're going to make today is a couple pork shoulders. They're small. We're going to season them up. I already coated them with just a little bit of olive oil. On the bottom sides of these pork shoulders, I cut some X's in the fat cap that's on it. I didn't really trim it off. Anything about 1/4 inch or less fat, I'll go ahead and leave it on there. As far as spices, what I'm using here, most of it is 3 equal parts of salt, which is sea salt, coarse black pepper, paprika. I got a little bit of onion powder in there, a little bit of garlic powder, and just some more seasoning that was in the bottom of it that was already mixed up. But basically, just mix those up real good. I get them mixed as good as you can get them. These shakers, I actually got them from the grocery store. Gillies Gourmet Spices. I saved the shakers. They make awesome shakers for applying barbecue rub. I just keep these. I love these containers. What I want to do is just basically going to shake them left to right. Try to get a good, even, thick layer of seasoning on them. Pork shoulder, you ain't really going to put too much seasoning on these. I like it like a Texas style rub on them. Nice good coating on here. Alright, that looks pretty good. Alright, go ahead and roll it on over. Got to have it tasty on both sides. Alright. Every once in a while, give your seasoning a little shake. Alright, same for this one. If you don't constantly shake your seasoning up, your salt and your pepper and everything will kind of start separating on you. Then you'll just be throwing most of one spice on there. Alright. Go ahead and try and get that up on the side a little bit. Same for this one. Stay there. Now, I'll wipe my seasoning bottle down with a Clorox wipe when I'm done with it. Just try to keep it clean. Very generous with this spice rub. Alright. Roll over, check this side. Alright, hit it with a little more. Alright. That's pretty much it for our seasoning. Let me show you what we got going on over here in the barbecue pit. Alright, so reverse flow. Probably about, let's say 170, 180 gallon tank. I had a can full of charcoal I used to start it. Get the charcoal burning good. Throw it in here. Then I got some split blackjack oak inside the firebox. I leave the doors open. Both my air door and my firewood door here. Leave it wide open until I basically got coals in there. You see all that white dirty smoke coming off of it? A lot of people like to cook like that with a lot of smoke. I personally don't. Smoke in itself is a byproduct of a dirty fire. It'll leave you a nasty taste on your meat. A lot of people do that. They'll hit their meat with too much smoke. And the barbecue's really not good anymore to me. I guess it's personal preference or whatever you like. Like I said, I'm going to burn that till it burns down to coals. Then I'll close it up. I'm going to kick the temperature up on this barbecue pit to about 225 degrees. Like I said, it's a reverse flow smoker. So what we got, underneath this grill grate, there's a steel plate runs the whole length of this tank. And you can see there the smoke's coming up on this side. The smoke's going to come up on this side, go all the way back across the smoking chamber, and go off that smokestack. A lot of people will question, why is your smokestack on the same side as your firebox? Well, because that steel plate. That'll give you an even cooking temperature all the way across the grates. That way you ain't got a 100-degree temperature from this side to this side. I can get it within about 5 degrees all the way across there. That makes for a really good even cooking temperature. Make your barbecue better. Okay, I'll check back in with you and let you know how it's going.